Testing 1 2. It's working. Croeso, welcome everybody. Croeso pawb. So we are getting back on track with this. I don't know how long we'll be live for today, but we should hopefully get everything done. So usual stuff. Welcome, Croeso pawb. This is being recorded live as I can't upload to YouTube, so sa chi in the stream, if you're a stream, croeso, welcome. If you're in the VOD, diolch for watching, diolch am gwylio, regardless if you're in VOD or watching live, os sa chi'n gwylio fyw, neu watch your VOD. This is my Fibonacci legacy. Each generation is following the rule of the Fibonacci numbers, so every generation number increases. Mae rheola dwi'n rhifau Fibonacci, and each number rhif o plant popgyrraeth yn mynd fyny geiriau, oh my god, words today. So yeah, more chaos should come. So I did a little bit some bobs in between stream last time. So interesting things that happened last time. Hugo's body, there's a playlist, my body mad playlist, so all the previous parts playlist. Hugo's ghost came alive and did some paintings for us. Bella Goth died, and the grief just came to us, to the household inventory, and that's a thingy. I was doing more sorry, my geiriau money. I'm so sorry words this morning. I've not quite had my coffee yet. But yeah, so that's what's happened. We are also going to be aging up Maynard today. Try to get dwi trio cael skills nhw gyd fyny 3, so we're not going to have like a party today then cael party fory. I'm literally just going to try and get them to age up today. We've also got lots of aging up to do. Mae gennyn ni got like a big birth party for Cridwen, Envis and Maynard fory. I don't want to change that to the park. I might do. Because I want to get them to have friends with kids their age. Dwi eisiau trio cael nhw cael yeah, we'll do that. So I think the only ones that need time off, they just need to done. So yeah, so been doing that. Yeah, just been trying to get all their needs up, their sort of needs and stuff up. I want to try to get some in before they age up. I want to try and get creativity level 10 because I think you can get a bonus, you can bonus gyda nhw. I want to try to get a mental I want to need to get everything to at least 3, but dim I 3 o leia is what I'm planning to do. You need sleep. Does not gysgu. Actually, before you do that, can you just do this quickly for me? Nid hyn sydyn i fi a wedyn does not gysgu. You're okay, so one parent is going to have to stay up. Byw ti. Ti'n iawn. You need food, go down get food. It's definitely getting more chaotic efo mwy o Sims. I also did a little bit of expanding. Dwi bod yn mwy expanding. I've been trying to build a club over on I stream live my thingies, my builds on Twitch. But I've just done like a little kids room mama. Made it look like an old shed that's been converted into a kids room. toilet and second toilet there as well, because it's just man just house. It's just so easy, so much easier. Okay, so Katie, that lawr a cael bwyd hefyd. Can you just make some food? And Kurt, I want to figure out past skills. So I want to try to get all these skills up to level 3. When I level 3 o leia. Well, imagination up to 3. Potty, not so much. Dim yn credu mae potty yn actually neud yn byd. Movement would be handy. Beth di gosa? Siarad ti hefo. So could we just teach you to talk and then that's at least at level 3 then? Clemaya is in here somewhere. Activities. Just while we can get them up to level. We'll mainly concentrate on the kids today. Like I think I've got all. Wait, in there yet? I just want to check. Do you need to do anything for work? No, your stuff is complete. TNA coding. You need to do programming, and you got it in 5 hours. So once you have food, you can have that, and you can get some coding done for me. So then that'd be brilliant. Know your funds low, but I just need you to do a little bit. Yeah, I want to try and concentrate getting these kids' skills up a little bit, gobeithio. I really don't understand also, Pam. So I've got these spaces here. Mae gen I eitha bwrdd fyma. I have a table here. But they just don't eat here. They're bits of fyma for some reason. Yeah, I basically send this to the kids' sort of teenage room so they can do the homework. So I'm going to go with Catra. Got the science stuff there. I think I got all the kids' things. And the violin is in their room. But, you know, that should be fine. Come on, you can do it. I just need to get some level 3s of this little kid. So, Bertie level. I know, sorry kids, I know you need sleep and stuff. Bertie. Yay, you're level 10. Sweet. Get me in casket. Is that all that done then? Sweet. So we can try and possibly do some more. Spready roll trait. Now we've got creative or gifted, so that's really handy. We don't have much can do now, and we've got schools on. We're going to need a school hefyd. What's that? We'll do that one. Yeah, that should be. There's any calendar that we can do. Build up some aspirations. Because I'm thinking about doing this as the creative generation. Genhedlaeth. Just go sleep. Why don't you actually cry it out first? Crio allan. Wedyn cysgu. Then teammate shower, you've got that. Yeah, basically I was looking up stuff to try and maybe actually do this Chianida, you know, somewhat useful. And I was thinking. Done that. 2 days. So 2 days, but sure. Tika sginion. Yeah, social's low. But that's fine. Can you tan my allan, please? Put out. Then, do you have a guitar song to write? No. Can you go and practice for me, please? No, you're going to sleep. Yeah. So, I want to try and actually concentrate on kids. I didn't do this previous generations. Do ddim nid ar genedlaeth cynt. I saw that basically, so if I want this to be a creative generation, genedlaeth credigol. So I'm gonna get my creative mod an artist. You're gonna be musician. Well, I think this is the way I'm also gonna try and do it for some generations to try and get all of them in it. 3. Still on summit, and you need. Let's do movement first, and we will do. You're hungry. Okay, we will do food and then movement then. Basically, I want to see what happens as ti'n gallu cael, if you can get it all to like a certain level. As ti'n gallu cael o I lefel do we need anything else? Let's say that's fine for everything. Bwyd. Your hygiene's actually fine. Ti angen cysgu mewn eiliau. So let's cancel. That, we just give them food. So yeah, I want to try and see, because I haven't done this. Dwi'n mynd I genedlaeth second. Trying to see if I can do this for, you know, generations and try and get them somewhat, you know, actually good. You know, see if I can get bonus skills for them. You give him food. Teenage bwyd. Okay, that's cool. And this in a second, you're gonna take over from Kurt, so we can actually do like concentrate, fully concentrate. Canolbwyntio llawn ar y kids today. I want to try and get an actual like bonus skills and stuff for them. It is in preparation. Mae hwn yn paratoi ar gyfer y cenedlaethol. And I will have later on where I have much more Sims. Because I lost more Sims, so you know. I just need you to complete. You're 25% done. I just need you to complete a little bit for me, please. I also found the mobile app is Satina Dinner, that's cool. And this, we're gonna switch over from Kurt in a second. So your social's low. You come here. Then Kurt, Carl, I need you to get some food. Edrych ar ôl dy hun works. Then we're gonna get Envis to help with the little ones. Heck's sakes. Did you tell off? No, lle mae o? Flashcards? Nee. It's actually still good.
Nimanu, Friffa Shelsh, Friffa Shelsh. Pinvargi, Sparf Granoi.
Shalip Smedsel, Krisham, Winifat, Nurbana Kabul, Lunkez, Yakana, Namility.
Okay, so Curry Dwen, you need to get you up. Oh, Tian Kursk, you need sleep. But this, you need food and you need peas. Okay, got down the dinner. My pabryd o ti'n dechrau gwaith 2 hours, you're 75% done. I really just need you to get some more coding done. You need sleep, but I will get you, so I need sleep, and I do get that, but I need you to do your skills. We're having just a skills day today. I'm sorry, little one. I'm sorry, in bach. Okay, so what we need today, Bedani Anna heddiw. Shapes, I think if you get, what's that one? Perrin, I thinking, I need to figure out, I think thinking was shapes, to credit. So if we get an adult to help with that, we can get that to level 3. I just want to see what happens when you get level 3 and body when you get level 3 and everything. Eat your food. See a bit of wood? Yes. So, Envis. We're gonna get you to help us. I think shapes. That one. So what do you need? You need food. So yeah, so you grab some food. We're doing this. It's actually working. Sorry. Not often my plan works, so do that, then pee, use the shower. Come on, Mai. Just need you to do a little bit. Dwi anna chdi dipyn bach. I think everybody. Sweet. Need hynna. You've got that sorted. So we're getting this. We're getting this done. You need that, and you need fun, and you need food. Grab you some food. You can have fun later on tonight. Everything's getting pretty much sorted. I just need to get you to level. Yeah, I know. Everybody should be fine. They'll start in E plus. Kurt, you don't have work or anything. You're fine to not go. A skull. You are not at school. I know, little one. Dwi god yn bach, but... Ti'n am bwyd. When do you start work? You have now. You can have food. That's fine. I don't want you to die of hunger. I know you need sleep. I just need you to get you to do this. Gyd i'n cysgu fo'n eiliad. You can go sleep in a second. Just want you to get thinking up. Just please, please help to get me this little... I know. I know. I just need you to get a little bit more. Dig what do you believe now? Need you to get a little bit. No, don't. Guess that helped you more, I guess. You are so close. Come on. Are you doing it? Sweet. Oh, I didn't get even close. So handy having with that 3 adults. It's so handy to have 3 adults. Oh wait, hold on. Principals. Today is in class. So unfortunately, kid. Team gwaith, you're not at work. Oh, I hate... Sometimes the Sims do not... Like, I wonder if man have that. I can't do mods. Doing what I... Sometimes Sims can just go to work. Like, that was the whole point. Just also gwaith. You know? I know what in dress to ti di blino. Okay, you can, like, you're ti'n mynd I gweld him on eiliad. I'm going to be going to sleep in a second. Ti bron yna. You are so close to it. Oh, I need to do this as well. Because I found out, you know, so chdi, I want you to work hard. You're not going to have... And then Bertie, and then what level? Can you even go up to be an A student or something? Yeah, it's your last day of school. Why don't you just, like... Well, last day of school, well, teen, I believe. Why don't you, like, study hard? I know you're not happy. I know you're not happy. I just need to get you to level 3, please. Just mynd to level 3, 20 oed I fyny, and then I think we are pretty much good to go then. So communication is the one. No, but movement still in again that is the level 2. Movement is the only one with level 3. And potty, but I want to see these ones, but I'll barely go on the internet. From what I can see on the internet, these are the ones that can actually lead to stuff. You are so close. You're not. Just in it, one little one. Ti mor agos. I know you're tired. Do what ti di blino. Kurt, go do something else, please. Not right now. Go do that, yeah. Tianan, you need to do anything for your aspiration. Just does need mwy o diod grisia. I want you to do shapes. Just need to do shapes sudden, very quickly, please. Multi projects already falling behind schedule. Is there one work late or try to honestly need more time. Come on, just work. What are Sims doing? Okay, I don't think the thing is happening. Sometimes the Sims just don't want to do. Okay, well, okay, that's fine. Do that. You can change the nappy then. We'll do clean up. Oh yeah, just face your true. Danny Maragos, we are literally so close to doing that. And then do that. Christina dinner. Oh, okay. I did. That's fine. I was trying to get you to do stuff. And don't ask for dance help. Please no. Turn on board, so you're doing that. Okay, that's cool. So we're getting there. Then I'm in dinner. In trio anyway. Put them to bed. Hopefully, gobeithio. Gen i digon o bod ni'n gallu neud o. Just gonna. How are you actually neat now? Ti an cwsg. Just go sleeps. I was trying to see if we could try and get all these to 3, all these to 3. I don't think we can. Got 2, then you got 2. We'll try it with the next toddler. Trio fo toddler nesa. Okay. There was a lot of stuff that popped up. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Also, hefyd, dwi am trio chdi just clynhau hwn. Be ti annan one? What do you need now? Just clean this. Actually, change your outfits as well. Newid dy gwisg. Then clean out that. Then you need social. Can you chat online? Because I want to stay in I want to stay in the house to, you know. Ah, okay, there you go. We should try aros in a tŷ to get this, to get the kids sorted. Ti'n iawn, I think you're good for everything. I might get you to go sleep while the kids are asleep again. But Tiana need. Usually get skills up. Yeah, basically I think that's all you need to do. I think to do this. Basically it's just trying to get I just really want to try and see if I can do this as soon as I need it. Now that I have, you know, enough Sims in the house, taking on Sims in the tea that I can actually do stuff with. So you're level 5. You're asleep. Bertie need would dot at me for. I know, I'm trying to get it that game. I know. Okay, so yeah, that's sorted. Alright, hey Anwes, I think I got a crush on the little one. Yeah, go for it.
Tony.
Ew, that can nerve.
Cool. I don't need. So if you're socializing, why don't you just talk for a bit? Do that and do a like. Nah, come on, where's it gone? Not gossip. Farming's uncomfortable. Why are you uncomfortable? Unpleasant surroundings. Oh, do you nearly had. Where's the nappy gone? It's a game of trying to find where the nappy is. Where on earth is it? Okay, well that's fun. Usually it's man ystafell yma. It usually pops up in this room. Okay, well that's somewhere. Why are you in unpleasant surroundings then? I've cleaned everything. No? Can you like hire? I don't know. The name's Sonia Duggable. I'll do that off stream, try and find where that's disappeared. Okay, so kids back. Sweet. Tiana and Kursk, but you're nearly there, Tibronana. You go have a nap. Yeah, honestly, you go have a nap. Cry it out first. Then have a nap. Maynard, Sitoti, how are you? You still need a bit more sleep. I don't know if I can do this. I'm standing. I can need him now. I think we're so close though. Moragas would let them sleep for like another hour. They don't need to particularly do anything. Well, I want to know why. Can you put this fire out? I don't think I've had any hefo tan. I actually don't know why we have a fire. Because you know. And Miss, okay. Cut, you go sleep because you're gonna be on baby duty once unwaith ti fo gwaith 2 days. You're gonna be on baby duty again, so you go sleep. Then you go after that. I want you to go practice piano so we can start getting some piano done. So we can get this. We don't have a skills day. We're having a skills day. We can do this. We just do that for now? You're asleep, tea and cusky. Until basically I've got all of them doing everything we need until you go to green or turns to mini grid, and I just want you to do a little bit more shapes. It's just skills update, man. Just do the skill heddiw, and I think I can get this all done before I go. Gotta go work. Can go work, guys. It's just I'm trio neud lots of bethau. It's just lots of trying to get lots of stuff done. Okay, so Kurt is asleep. Betty and Kusk, you need food, but let's get you. I want you to do shapes with. It's waking them up, but you know. I just want you to do a little bit, just dipping back. There's some nappy doing. Nappy's gone somewhere. Okay, I need you to do a little bit. You need fun, so I'm gonna get you to go here. Well, Envis has got Maynard play game. Just transmit hynna, then you're still. Oh wait, you know, but we'll kind of do that. I want to do this before they age up, because I feel like the game will make them age up, I believe, at some point, if you don't age them up. I know. Come on, you can do this. T-Bunny Herod? I thought you were needing sleep. More sleep. You go sleep. We will do your... we'll try and get your needs done in a second. Anti-me Grisia. Envis, are you coming? I don't go by my Sims did. I have no idea what the Sims are doing. We will let them do it. Curb, so Tianan. Tea and I'm bladdered, Boyd, but I just want to get some shapes done first. Okay, it's not giving me the option. Just want you to get some this done and I can bwyd I chdi. I give you food.
Pagoya Mistel. Arabrep. Roy Wadida. Huh?
Okay, so your shapes are 3. Okay, so we've done this. Don't gallu neud o. Let's do. Okay, Envis. Let's get you some food for you. That. And then it's not the right time now. Sorry. Food. Teenage Boyd, you got that. Don't go sleep. I know you're tired, but you're so hungry. I know. I'm sorry, little bach. Do more sorry, in bach. I'm sorry, little one. I'm just trying to get you your basic needs done, and also try and get you some skills. You need food. Yeah, I'm bored. One Iliad. Let's get you food now so you can do stuff with the little ones and take over from Envis. We got this. Danny done shifts. We can do this. Danny Eva, we can do this. Okay, pampered Dick pedwar awr. Beti yna'n wan, ti yna'n bwyd, a ti yna'n cwsg. So let's get you, while everybody else is doing everything else, let's get you to do a quick one of this. We have a quick one of these. You need sleep, so let's get you to brew some coffee. Yeah. Okay, and can you get... I know you need to go to the toilet, but can you carry me here, please, so I can have food, so you can go Boyd? Diolch. Yes? Sweet. Okay, Envis, go toilet then. See, hon. What else do you need? Ti angen rhywbeth arall? You need everything. Ti angen social. You grab some food then. I bet ti angen. You need a shower. You've done your bit. Ti di wneud dan chdi. Little one. Ti angen bwyd. Let's get you some food. You eating your food? No. Then... Oh, I'm gonna kick my tape. There's just so much to do. Right, Enid, we can do this. Then gallu neud o. I want to try and get this done, because I'm assuming they do age up. Right, okay, so we got, I think we're on track. I'm still concentrating on Tian and Kursk. We get you to okay, I'm gonna model rhyfedd, I think. Can you... No, communication's fine, right? Yeah, do that, and... can you get any siarad? Have a nice, like, semi-chilled out moment. And then put Mina to bed. I think, I don't know, I think we're going to try and skill up everything before we can. I know. I don't know when the game is just going to age him up automatically. I'm not even sure, honestly not sure. You do that to my... Envis. Ben ik chdi cael coffee? You need sleep, but I'm gonna get you to just stay here for a second. What's up, Boyd? Eat your food. Then Pedro Gusky, I want you to do your homework. Oh, it's just management. Lot of management is just check out what they need. Gonna the gwaith catra. Oh, actually, Dulcie toilet. Get to Dulcie toilet. Go there. Then need to do gwaith catra. I do want to try and get some. The only thing is with the kids, panting need a plant because they have the school. The school takes up so much of the daytime. When I can go into amser, team of our llawer, I need lots of better because I do want to try and get these mental and motor up. Yeah, we'll be fine. You can actually go for. Why don't you go for nap? Because you're gonna help and Creek run in a second. Then you're gonna go and do this in a second. So I think we got everything sorted. I want to say Danny efo pawb sortio. I think we got everybody sorted. I think we got a plan. I think we're getting it, like, I think we got a thing. I think the plan is, I think we need at least like 3 adults. 3 adults in one time. Any one time you need 3 adults in the house. So I don't know when the game's just going to age up Maynard. But I don't think we can get any more skills done, unfortunately. And for this, I don't think we can get anything more done. Let's see, can we get you some fun and also play 3 games of chess? Okay, yeah, I need to know. So we've got that, then we're getting there, then I'm in there. I'll get your fun up as well. Cool, so ti'n mynd lawr i chwarae chess, you're gonna do that. Kurt, can you... Don't be ti'n neud. Maen nhw'n cysgu, they're asleep. Gadael cael amser efo Envis. Have time with Kurt run, sorry, not Envis. I know you need sleep. Just do it like a game. Dwi eisiau trio cael just some of your skills up. I want to try get some of your skills up as well. We can get this one, I think, to level 3 to credit. And then, bit in Galahun, what do you also get from this? Get logic as well. cool.
Bombadil.
Not kind of what I wanted, but yeah, it's alright. You can get your skills up. Take a shower. Okay, we got did any have ever? I think it's gonna automatically age me not up in a second. Tea and then social, and you need sleep, but that's fine. Did a weird noise. I think it's her. Get a notification. Oh, so it's level 5. No, did I cancel it? No, though. That's cool. So you are. Please say your skills are going up. Yes, ti bron on that. So your mental's going up. That's cool. You've got Ganini we got tomorrow with them as well. We can do that. Let's see, we're gonna have to finish this up soon-ish. So we didn't, I think Cal to llawer efo ni. We've got 3 skills up to 3. So we'll see what happens with Maynard. Ennis, yeah, you can sleep, that's fine. Because you're going to be dealing with the kids in the morning again. Did you got fan code here? No, you haven't finished coding. Just a little bit left, please. If your kids have to, you know, just carry on with their skills, you have to do yours as well. Ti'n got neud o hefyd. How are you doing? I know. So you're meant to level 3, sweet. Okay, motor. You're too tired to do motor, but that's fine. So we're down in now, so we can potentially get these to level. You know, Sigaske, you go sleep. Kurt, do you need sleep at all? Because I'm just gonna get you to sleep. So you're on a sleep schedule. So I'd see her in sleep schedule. Wait. Oh, but you need. No, I don't need to go back to sleep here. In an hurried. Okay. So we've got that. We can do the chess game tomorrow. We can do game of chess fory ar gyfer Cridwen, and we can get their skills up. I just need you to get your coding finished. We can finish this as well. They're making the mobile app yn lot hawsach na thing. I didn't know. Wait, who's Travis? Put it Travis. Travis is going way past. Put it Travis. Sorry, hold on. Put. Okay, I'm gonna have to check that. Where's Travis? So I'm guessing Pamamina and so tomorrow's actually going to be okay. That's interesting. So and then I preferred that. This was a good experiment because so they don't age them up while they're sleeping. Dwi'n mynd eidio fan tan ma'n cysgu. So dyn nhw'n mynd eidio fan pan ma'n cysgu. I think we might have to just call it a day there for now, because okay, then in programming, then in with that. But I think we've done a lot. Then in a lot of progress. Next time we will be aging everybody up. I think this is a good like next skills day to do, and then the skills day that. I think it is good to try and cut. Mae'n rili dda I trio canolbwyntio ar y skills. I'm going to try and do that now on the kids ones. Mae mwy gwaith, it's more work, but we shall see. And hynny'n brofiad neis. Thank you for watching. And this is a nice little experiment. Diolch am gwylio. Cadw'n saff. Os yn gwylio ar fod neu gwylio'n fyw. If you're watching on the VOD or watching live, diolch am ddod. Thank you am bopio draw. Yeah, it's going to get interesting for them, but the playthroughs are going to get interesting. The playthroughs dechrau mynd yn chaotic at points. So yeah, diolch am gwylio. Thank you for watching. Cadw'n saff. Keep safe everybody.